Hello everybody. This video is for SPP 2025, Paper 2, Question 6. And in this video, we are going to talk about Form 5, Chapter 6, Trigonometry. Okay, so let's see A part 1. Prove that 2 tangent theta equals to sine 2 theta. My friend, don't forget all these formulas, okay, for 2 theta one, they are given in the formula sheet. So you can refer to the formula sheet to do. 你要记得这个东西的话，它已经是全部在 formula sheet 去看。Of course, you also can train yourself until you remember everything. Now, we will start from the side that is more complicated, 比较复杂的那一个开始。So, 我有 tangent theta and cos square theta. Whenever I see tangent theta, one hint for you, if you change it to sine over cos, then your life will be easy. 你就把它成 sine over cos. Now, cos square theta is actually equals to cos theta multiplied by cos theta. Okay? So, 这一个我可以 simplify 一个 I get 2 sin theta cos theta, which is my right hand side, sin 2 theta. A part 1 done. Look at A part 2. Hence, solve the equation, blah, blah, blah. The word hence means I have to go back to this. What did you realize? 6 tangent theta square theta, 2 tangent theta square theta. This one is multiplied by 3. 2 change to 6 and multiply by 3, 对不对？所以我就会变成这个东西 will be 3 sin 2 theta settle. 所以我的第二个东西我会有 3 and then you have to write this equals to, this one is sin 2 theta equals to negative 1. Now, when sine is negative 1, we apply this, add sugar to coffee. Sine is negative, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. Okay, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. Corresponding reference angle, you have to type shift sine 1 over 3. Don't type the negative because the negative is to tell you which quadrant your 2 theta falls in. I got my corresponding reference angle equals to 19.47. This is my 2 theta. Be careful. The question says the theta is between 0 and 360 degrees. So this is 2 theta. Between 0 and 360 degrees. When I multiply by 2, 2 theta, 0 multiplied by 2 is still 0. 360 multiplied by 2 is 720, which means the third one more. So quadrant 3, quadrant 4. For the second round, quadrant 3, I have to plus 360. For the second round of quadrant 4, I have to plus 360 as well. Okay, I get 4 values. And for theta, divide by 2. Every value divide by 2. Done. This is my A. Okay, part B is something that is new because usually in paper 2 you will be asked, usually you'll be asked to draw a graph, but this time we don't have a question. Okay, now this is the triangle. The question is simple. Without finding the angle of CAD, without knowing what angle is this, I do not want to know. I want you to find cos of this angle. Okay, so you choose the equal, you go back. This one I draw already, I just copy that from you. You write out all the information that you know. Look at this triangle. Right angle triangle. 25, 7, Pythagoras. When we talk about trigonometry, got right angle, definitely we have to pay attention to Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so if Pythagoras theorem gives me 24, I can write out what? Sin theta, cos theta. If you want, you write out tangent theta also can, to see whether you need to use it later or not. Now, the next step is to look at the big triangle. This is also a right angle triangle, 180 degrees in total. So which means 1 angle, 2 angles, 3 angles, plus everything, I get 180 degrees. So this angle will be angle CAD plus theta. this is the name. Angle CAD plus theta, this is the name, will be equal to the total interior angle of a triangle, 180 degree. 整个三角形180度啊 ，minus 90 degree 减到90度，减掉30度 minus 30 degree. I get this. So I want to find, the question asked me to find cos angle CAD. So I know that CAD 是60 degree minus theta. Oh, 给你的 cos, I teach my students to remember as 高高兴兴. Of course, you can refer to the formula. And then you fill in the first one, first angle, second angle, first angle, second angle. Cos is troublesome. Cos very 早晚. Negative, change to positive. Minus, change to plus. Okay? Cos 60, cos 60, you have to draw out the special angle lah. Cos 60 is equals to 1 over 2. Sin 60 is equals to 3 over 2. These two are special angle. Okay, huh? And then cos theta, sin theta. And you get the answer. Either one, they are good. So this is my SPP 2025, paper 2, question 6, discussing Form 5, chapter 6, trigonometry.